In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost on LinkedIn. First, sign into your LinkedIn account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage, which is your main feed. This is where you'll see posts from people and pages you follow, along with topics LinkedIn recommends. If you come across a post you'd like to share with your own network, you can do that right from this screen without leaving the feed. To get started, look at the bottom of the post you want to share. You'll see a few familiar actions, and among them is the Repost option. Click Repost. As soon as you do, LinkedIn gives you two clear choices. The first is Repost with your thoughts. The second is simply Repost. If you choose Repost with your thoughts, LinkedIn will open a new post window with the original post attached. This is a great option when you want to add context, a brief takeaway, or a quick note about why the post matters to your audience. Keep your message concise and professional so your network can immediately understand the value. When your thoughts are ready, go ahead and publish. This creates a new post on your profile while still crediting the original content. If you choose the standard repost option, the share happens instantly without adding a message. This is perfect when the original content speaks for itself and you just want to pass it along to your connections quickly. With one click, the post will be shared to your network's feeds and associated with your profile. A quick tip as you decide between the two: use Repost with your thoughts when you want to highlight your perspective or start a conversation, and use the simple Repost when speed and clarity are the priority. Either way, the original creator remains visible, which helps you share valuable insights while giving proper credit. That's all there is to it. Log in, find the post you want to share, click Repost, and choose whether you want to add your thoughts or share it as is. It's a simple way to curate helpful content, stay active on your profile, and engage your network without having to create something from scratch every time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.